Hi and welcome. So just as in English, some of these names might be used by both men and women, but these are some typical men's names in Tibetan. Increase of Dharma, Chöpel, conqueror of enemies, Damdru, moon, Dawa, flourishing victory, Dargyal, Siddhartha or goal achiever, Tundru, king, Gyalpo, victory banner, Gyaltsen, ocean, Gyatso, Manjugosha or gentle voiced, Jamyang, karma, Karma, good fortune, Kesang, wholesome minded, Losang, victorious attributes, Namgyal, Manjushri or Lord of Speech, Ngawang, jewel, Norbu, glorious, Palden, Venus, Pasang, excellence, Pynsok, wholesome one, Zangpo, lucky, Sunam, auspicious, Tashi, proclaimer, Tempa, adherent, Tenzin, long life, Tsering, Buddha's teachings, Tupten, crown, Ugyen, ruling king, Wangyal, Ishvara or sovereign, Wangchuk, wisdom, Yeshit,